Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will tell about how to create table in MySQL Workbench. Let's begin. First, we are create a simple database using the SQL command. I write here create database student, and you can see here our database created successfully. Now refresh the schemas, click on this button, and you can see here student database add. Now click here and right click on the tables and click on create table, and create table windows are open. So here you can write your table name. I write student details, student details. Now you can see I give the table name is student details. Now click on this icon, and now time to create the table. So simply double click on here and write the column name. I write here roll number, and you can see here MySQL Workbench detect the data type automatically, roll number, that's mean integer. And now you can create roll number as a primary key using this option. P key means primary key and NN means not null. So I will select roll number as a primary key as well as not null. So now time to add second column name, student name, and data type varchar, and I select the not null. I create another table. This is department. Now data type automatically detected varchar. I also select this not null, and here I will add another column to department ID. Here I will change data type integer, select the not null. Now our table is created. So our table's column name as follows: roll number, student name, department, and department ID. So simply click here apply, click OK. Now you can see here the commands. You simply click on apply, and you can see here SQL script was successfully applied to the database. Click on finish, and once again you refresh the schemas, and you can see here this icon. Click here, and you can see here our table student details. Click this icon and you show the table. Now time to fill the details into table. So I fill roll number 101, student name Amar, department computer, and department ID is 0012. I add another information, roll number 102, name is Ramesh, department computer, department ID 012. Now I add here roll number 103, name Peter, branch computer, department ID 012. Now I fill the all details into table, and now simply click here to apply. And you can see here, this is the actual command. You click and apply, and also repeat the step, click on finish, and you refresh the schemas, and here you can see our table. Now time to export this table into Excel sheet. You simply click here export and select the path. I will select here document MySQL, and now I rename this student details. Click on save. Now open your file Explorer, go to this file, and here you can see our Excel sheet are saved student details. Now it's open, and you can see our table. Ignore this. You can see our tables: roll number 101, student name Amar, department computer, department ID 12.
I hope so you like this video. Please make sure to subscribe my channel. And if you don't know how to download my MySQL Workbench, please watch my video, link in description. Thank you.